finished my submission at Car's location on Roblox.
Oh, you finished?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was like a 2-hour build.
Oh, it was?
Yeah, it was like a 2 or 1 hour build.
You finished with class?
We got one more class left.
Okay, say hi.
YouTube.
Alright. Good morning, guys. It is January 22nd. It is my 2-week follow-up, so I'm heading over there now. I don't know if you guys have been watching my videos. I started with the preparation of how everything led up to my surgery, but on my way now to not really on my way, but getting ready to head over there. My appointment is in probably another hour or so, I'll give you guys an update on how everything has been going. And like I said, if you haven't checked out the videos up top, always don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys a little later. Okay? Hey guys, now it is 6:40. I am now getting back inside the house since my 11:25 appointment. You guys might hear my dog barking. She doesn't like to be in her crate. Overall, once again, I can't take any cameras in there, but I'm healing very well. My doctor said, girl, you need to, give me a high five because your stomach is smashed. And I said, Doc, you did that. You really truly did that. So, like I said, I'm 2 weeks in. I'm very much still swollen. But from and this is my attire for the day. So let me show you guys. So I was in something very much loose with some leggings because of what I had on and the color of my garment. See, so I didn't want that garment to show, so I made sure that I but let me show you guys. I'm out of breath because I was just putting up groceries, but see, let me take you guys into some better lighting. You can see, which will be my bathroom. So, and pay my mannequin back there, no mind. I try not to move her around. I just like to leave her there. So see where I am still swollen here at the sides. All that's going down, but here I am like completely flat, and I'm still kind of swollen right here. So this is what it's looking like. So you still have like a bump here, but you see all of this is like completely flat. And and just to give you guys a side view of what I'm looking like here, and I'll show you guys. I'm in better lighting. My scar and how I'm healing, but so far, like he said, all of that is normal. For me to be more flat up here in this, because of course it's still swollen, and yeah, and by my hairline, like I tell you, my cootie, it's swollen. Yes, so that he said that takes time and sensitivity in the area that I showed you guys. I can barely feel anything. I mean, you can probably, if you punch me, I'm gonna feel it, but like I can't really feel anything. But like he said, over a course of time, I will get back, feeling back there. So down there is actually kind of numb right there by my hairline, and where I just showed you that bulge where it's swollen. But all of that is normal. He said that, I don't have to wear my garment at night, because I was wearing it at night to sleep. And and everything, but he said I don't have to wear it at night to sleep. I don't have to even wear it for that long. Just wear it for a few hours and, you know, take it off. And once again, I don't have to wear it to go to sleep, because I was wearing it, you know, to bed. And then this one that I have here is a little bit more tighter, but the other one that I have is the same thing, and they're both extra large. Let me say it again, they're both extra large, but one is a little bit more looser. I don't know why. But then I have a garment, a compression garment that I bought, and it's pretty good, and that's a size large. And boy, let me tell you, whew, that holds you. And it has the bra strap, but you know, he said I can put that on and you know, and I'll be okay. Also too, he said that you know how you go, I can't pronounce the word, the lithium, whatever it is, massage it. I'll put the correct word at the bottom. I can go and pay to get that, but he was like, that's stuff that you can actually do yourself. Go ahead and, you know, just start massaging down in that lower area and you'll be fine. You know, just massage your own stomach. You don't have to pay someone to do it, you know, but he was like, you know, these places got these things, but you can do it yourself. And I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just at night just massage my own, you know, my abdomen. Other than that, he said everything is doing good. He wanted to see me back in 2 weeks. And like I said, I went out to eat, and I keep forgetting that I had my camera to pick it up. But this is basically an update of, you know, how my doctor appointment went. So for 2 weeks, you know, pretty good. And like I said, I'll show you guys my scar. So stay tuned for that. And I think I showed you guys my scar already before, but now, you know, that was, I think, like, I can't remember because I was doped up, so I can't remember what day that was. But all that should be in all those videos. But I'll show you guys a 2 week update, and then when I go back in 2 weeks, which will be 4 weeks, I'll show you guys another update. So far everything is looking good. Can't complain. The only thing is, I went to my job today, and when I went up the stairs, because I haven't climbed stairs in a while, when I got to the top, I was completely out of breath. And that's because, once again, my muscles were separated at least 7 inches apart from each other. Now, if you know 7 inches, that's a big gap. So even, once again, I want to say, with the muscle repair, you know, it had to be done. Exercise would have never done it. Once again, like I'm going to tell you guys, exercise would have never gotten my stomach the way, you know, it needed to be because of my pregnancies. Everybody do things for them, but for me, exercise, and I've got it from 2 doctors, not just mine, but some exercise would have never brought my stomach back to look like if I had a flat stomach. No, my muscles were separated almost 7 inches apart from each other, and that's just from him going in. And the other doctor told me that before without even looking on the inside, and there was a way that how she can tell. But once again, I also had an umbilical hernia, so that's another thing too. So anyway, guys, so stay tuned, and like I said, I'll show you guys my scar. So this is, like I said, my 2 week update. So thank you guys for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My 2 week update just passed, which was last week. No, I'm not gonna say my 2 week update, but my 2 week appointment for my doctor was on Thursday, and I was too exhausted because I did so much for that day, and like you guys saw. But I'm gonna show you guys what my scar looks like. And also, I can't remember if I had told you guys in there about my Spanx. He said I didn't have to be in my faja anymore, so I've been wearing Spanx from since then, and I've been doing pretty good. I've been going to bed without them, and I've been doing really good. Then I also bought this massager. Matter of fact, let me show it to you guys, because he said I can do I have one, but I don't know where that one is, and I think that one you have to actually plug it in and use it. But this one is cordless, so it has the buttons and everything on on the back of it, you know, but I'll post the stuff in here. So I've been using this one, and it's been doing really pretty good on my tummy. You know, like he said, you can actually do your own massages, and like he said, why pay somebody else to do your massage? Save your money, save your coins. I don't know about anybody else, but you know, I'm always balling on a budget. But you can actually do your own massages. It comes with these 3 prongs, and then it has some other more I got it from Amazon, but I'll link all this information in the bottom and like, I'm gonna do a complete update of everything that I've ever purchased for this whole process, and I did show you guys some of the things that is really beneficial, especially, once again, like I said, that toilet seat riser. I still have it on my toilet, actually. I don't know if I want to take it off yet, you know, because I mean, it's much more, it's like booster seats, you know what I'm saying? Like, and it got the handles. So as you guys can see, I'm not that short of breath anymore like I was before. And like I said, if you guys haven't seen it on my other videos, that's because my muscles were spread so far apart that it, you know, affected my breathing. So now my breathing is actually pretty much good. I went to work on my job and going up and downstairs, but I do still have some back pains. I do get that because, you know, my posture still is not, you know, too you know, back, so I'm still having back pains. But other than that, I'm not taking my meds. I don't know if I mentioned that. I'm not taking any meds. I'll take a muscle relaxer here and there, because like I said, it's still like really, it's a lot of tight, you know, of that skin just pulling. You just feeling that, you know, that tightness. And now I'm starting to feel like the suit, you know, the where in the inside was sewn, I'm now starting to feel, you know, like it's really tender in there. And like I said, it's still, you know, and it's very much tender in certain parts. So it's gonna take a good minute for this healing process. This healing process is no joke, guys. I mean, if it's something that you know, tummy tuck is something that you want to get, you know, just beware. You're not gonna be able to jump and do what you want to do in a matter of weeks or months. No, this is some healing process. So I advise you to take your time and be very careful on, you know, on what you're doing. This is the main reason why I put this video out, because we may see videos and people might be jumping, doing this and doing that. No, sorry, sweetie. I don't know what they got going on, but this is a process that you will gradually have to take your time to get your mobility, your energy, and everything back. You ain't gonna be no goddamn 2-piece bikini or a bathing suit, you know, within a month. Kudos to that, to those who do, but sorry, no, not here. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm looking like. Like I always say, excuse my mannequin head back here, but anyway, this is what I'm looking like in my clothes. You know, I'll raise this up. Y'all gotta excuse me. This bra that you guys always see me in is an old you know, grandma bra, and I love it because it's comfortable. I love it, you know. So you guys gonna always see me in this because I love it. But this is what I am. Let me put it back some. This is what I'm looking like now. So you see, and this is a, you know, a high-waisted Spanx. Yeah, high-waist Spanx. And this is what I'm looking like. So you can see it's flat. And I'm going to show you from the side view. It seems like really sore. And I bruised easy, so you will see some marks. So this is what I'm looking like here. This is side view. This is the front view. So I'm still kind of swollen here. If you guys can really see, I'm gonna show it this way so you can see. So I'm still swollen here, you know, all right here, still swollen. A lot of this, you know, went down, and like you guys can see all around. So he said this right here is going to definitely take some time to go down. This is not going to happen overnight at all. See my stitches and things like that. So this is what I'm looking like right now. I didn't get any lipo or anything like that, so all of this is still kind of swollen. Here is still swollen, and let me tell you guys, you see right here, it is numb. I cannot barely feel this. Okay, this is very, I can feel me patting, rubbing. It is very numb. I can't feel anything. He said that's gonna take some time to get some feelings back in there. This is what it's looking like here. Like I said, I bruise very easy. I have very sensitive skin, so I am dying to see. This right here, it's like, you know, touching this, all of this is still very sensitive and sore. So like I said, this is 2 weeks post-op of what I'm looking like. And like I said, I'm wearing Spanx, and he said I can wear Spanx. So just to give you an idea of what this looks like. And like I said, my Spanx, and I've always had Spanx. My clothes, this is what I look like. Like I said, and that's my 2 weeks. I will come back to you guys. Yeah, excuse my cameras and all that kind of stuff back here, because I do not feel like putting stuff up and taking it back out, putting stuff up and taking it back out, because I'm doing my TikToks, but I'm doing TikTok that does not require me to do, you know, too much for me to stand in place and whatnot, you know. So I'm not doing too much. Like I said, I'm very much taking the light. You can see I'm getting short of breath, and that's all because of, you know, when my body is not used to, you know, doing so much, you know, I mean, you're not completely 100%. It's gonna take some time, you know. So I do still sleep on my back, but in my next one, I'll probably do another upload within 2 more weeks to show you guys, and that should put me at 4 weeks. And from there, I'll do like a Q&A on, you know, relatively a lot of questions that people ask about, you know, different things regardless, this whole thing. But I'm trying to put a lot of information in these videos so you guys can get an idea if you are planning for an upcoming procedure. Like I said, this is not an easy process, and you definitely need help. I'm to the point now where I really don't need too much help. Getting in and out of bed is pretty much easy, just kind of much roll my ass to the one side and roll me to, but I am sleeping on my back. But when it comes to doing things in the house, I very much do a lot of light stuff. Like today I vacuumed and I kind of swept out my bathroom, but to sit there and say I'm gonna do some, clean out my shower and do all this, no, I ain't doing all that kind of stuff. I think when the time come, I'll probably just get like a maid service to come in here and do some real deep cleaning for me, because of the fact that, you know, I really don't want to overdo my body, you know what I mean? So not because I'm lazy or anything, but it's, and you know, I clean my own house, but just that I don't want to force my body to do too much and, you know what I'm saying, injure myself, you know. So but anyway, it was yeah, so overall, you know, it's my 2 weeks, and I just figured I showed you guys, you know, what it looks like. And I'll do also a before and after, so you guys can be really amazed of what I look like before. And I think that's what I'm actually paying for, is the, you know, the before and after. But thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.